The way we have learned the concept of the virtual, and again that is very interesting, because when I started, I thought I would be getting 1 hour, 2 hour sort of situation, but the customer has demanded that I want permanency. So what is happening now is that they are taking permanent desks that they pay a monthly fee, and fewer and fewer people are coming for a walk-in situation, and I think we love it that way. We have different concepts. There's what you call the virtual offices. Those are the ones that we give you a desk and a computer, and of course a communication line. And so that concept we call it virtual. Then we have what we call furnished offices. Furnished offices, we give you a desk and 2 chairs for your visitors, and communication again, and all the secretarial services. There you can either have a 1-man office, 2-man office, or a 3-man office, and you set it up according to your needs. And obviously then we have the meeting rooms, which again you pay for having your
separately.
Yes, separately, yes. That is charged on an hourly basis. And then you have the boardroom, which again you hire and you pay on an hourly basis. They range depending on whether it's a 1-man, 2-man. So 1-man office is 35K. We have 2-man office, which is 45, and I think the 3-man office is 55. Again, if there is a special need, we can always adjust ourselves, because with time, what we have learned, we have to respond to the needs of the customer and not necessarily what we want ourselves. The meeting rooms are also 1,500 per hour. Do you know what? Yes, I know there are people who are coming out with furnished offices, CTC, but I have not come across somebody who have furnished offices in the studios. For us, that gives us a unique combination. However, yes, there are other people who are giving furnished offices, but I know the quality we give in terms of even the ambience and the customer care and caring about who the customers are. Allowed this place for the value, I think we are top of the notch. That's my opinion. I think these people doing tours and travels, I think they love our offices. I think one is a convenience of setup and the ambience. You know, this business need to be neat. Yeah, I think that is one of the major reasons. Yeah. They look like 30 maximum. I think it's 25 to 30, 32 maximum. Yes. Yes, know your customer, that is one of the challenges. And of course, when you're a startup, you have issues of paying your rent in good time.
Yeah.
And therefore, we are very strict on that one. And it is where we encourage all of us as party to have an understanding, because if you don't pay, I will not be able to give you the services. So for us, for me, it's almost a counseling discussion, that this is the way we are charging. First of all, I know we are not charging so much in view of what we are giving. So if you appreciate that, then honor us by making payments in good time. The other challenge is when you are dealing with different customers, you know all of them, they don't own the office.
Yeah.
So you cannot have your own way of doing it.
Yeah.
So one of the things that we aim to do is to give out a standardized approach to whoever is in the offices. And sometimes you may find a challenge there, because one wants to bring a crowd of people, another wants to bring this and all that. But we are saying we need silence in the press, and therefore that's one of the things that some of the challenges. The single offices, I think, they are 15. Yes, they are 15. Yes, I think we would want to do that. But also another thing that we are getting into, which is also related to that, is we are seriously getting into hospitality industry because of the success we have had. Yes, we are fully full, and that's really been exciting. And yes, we want to do more of that. Yes. In the apartments, in the studios, yes, we are experiencing that great time. Yes, in the offices. People, let me tell you what has happened. You know, originally we thought that people will come and go, but they have come and stuck. There are some who as long as 5 years. Yes, yes, yes. So to be honest, it's achieved of what really we thought it would be, but I'm happy with it and I'm happy to run with it today. Yeah? 13. If they are going to use our computers, yes, we have 13 offices. Yes, that is something which is very unique for us, because of where we are located and the clientele that we have, even in the building, live around run in the streets. You find that when you are with us, the bank is down. If you want, I've just realized that we even have a stylist in the building. We have food easily accessible. So yes, you can actually be in our offices or in our studios and you feel like totally you are so taken care of. Even what we can't provide is just a walking distance, the supermarket.